Additional minor innovations throughout the program is going to improve your workflow and drastically help you save time with your editing. Now we'll look at some minor updates that didn't fit in the previous videos, but are still worth mentioning. The first new feature is the ability to preload quick video previews, making work with videos much faster. Click Settings next to each folder and set preloading mode to preload smart video previews. Next is an enhancement to the viewer and slideshow. In practice, this means that you can now view an entire folder without opening it. A very useful update is the option to rotate photos in thumbnails. When you open a folder in the manager, hover over the thumbnail. Rotate icons appear at the sides of the photo, allowing you to rotate the photo. And everybody will be happy to know that there is now the option to reorder tabs in the program header. This means that you can reorder tabs and better organize your work on projects. The use of keywords has also been improved. Keywords are now structured, which means they are easier to assign based on how they are related. For example, if I create the structured keywords animal, rabbit, and Vincent, then for this photo, I just need to add Vincent. Animal and rabbit are automatically suggested. Another simplification is the auto advance for rating photos. In Preview, click Preview Options, which are at the end of the middle bar. Enable the after changing a rating or label. Advance to the next. Now, if I change a photo's rating using numbers, the next photo automatically opens. This saves you a lot of time clicking between photos. We've also improved preview quality. And this means that even photos that are really zoomed out have really sharp details. And not just for the manager, but for Develop module too. And speaking of the Develop module, you'll be happy to hear that you can now change the order of the settings groups. Just right-click on the right panel and choose Reorder Groups at the very bottom. Then drag and drop a settings group over another. Another enhancement is the ability to scale copied filter masks, which makes it easier to transfer radial filters as well as presets between photos with different dimensions. Moving all the way down to Effects in Develop, notice one new additional function. Add Luma Adaptive Grain. This matches how film grain behaves and makes it even more natural looking. And finally, we've added a metadata token for export time. That means that if I click Export, enable renaming, and then add the date and time generated, the file name will be saved with that particular export's date. These are the small but really crucial ingredients to change your workflow experience and change the entire interaction of the UI for everyone.